Ooh, na, 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 na. Ooh, yeah. This is for all my animals. Straight up. Especially you. You know what I mean? No homo, no homo. Sitting over here, thinking about you, wanting to play with you too. I'ma go ahead and get my bone. You head outside, and I'ma throw that shoe. And I'ma throw that for you to go fetch. What make me smile is you bring it back. And once you already done that, I'ma reward you with a doggy snack. Oh yes. And when I get bored, I'ma take you upstairs, push to the bathroom, and take you there, so you can smell so good like me. Sitting over here thinking about you, and want you to realize everything I say to you, that I need you and want you. And when I get alone and who I'm gonna play with, that's why I just got you. The doggy, I just want you to know, you're my best friend, friend. Oh, cut.